let me put something very small here. Let me say username. For example, you are trying to enter your username to access the system. Okay, maybe you are trying to log into something. Maybe you are trying to log into Google or something, to your email or even your phone. So this is how the system actually works. Now when you enter your username, the second line is to enter your password. Now after entering your password, what happens? There is something which happens in the background, that is to check whether your username and password is actually correct. Whether your username is equivalent to what they want. Let's assume that your username is user1, and then password is equivalent to 123. Now if you enter this information, that means login successful. And then what happens? What if you don't enter the correct information? That means incorrect password or username. Okay, so this is something very simple that will check your username or password. Let's go. After running the program, it will ask me to enter. I enter user1, password 123. It will tell me that login successful. Now if I run again, and then let me put something else, maybe Peter, and then I also put Peter. I also put 123. It will say incorrect username or password. Like one of the two should be correct. Now there are many other ways we can do this thing. Let's try to say very underscore user. Let's say this time we have already put the user, we have stored the user somewhere. We are not comparing like whatever is already here, but it's going to be the same thing. And then very underscore password is equivalent to, let's say also Peter1. The password is Peter1, the username is Peter. Now here, if this username, which means this username must be equal to this, so that means that here we are going to say username must be equal to very user, and password must be equivalent to very password. So we are trying to kill the lion using a different format. Here we have declared it here, and we are trying to compare this and what is here. We are not doing the comparison directly in the if block. So I can just run the program, and then let's say Peter, and then Peter1 as the password, to say login successful. Now if I come here again, I put Peter, let me say Peter, and then I put another thing like the password. It will say incorrect username and password. So that's just something very small for you guys to know in the if block. So if block means that if this condition is correct, this code will execute. If it is not correct, this one will, the else block will execute. That is the meaning. Thank you.